How to fix Samsung keyboard enter key is missing. So if you want to fix your Samsung keyboard enter key is missing, then you need to open up your settings at first. Under settings, you need to scroll down and go with apps. Under apps, tap on manage apps and make sure that you've selected show system services. After that, go with search apps, and here you need to search for keyboard. If you're using a Samsung device, then you will have the keyboard option. You need to go with Microsoft keyboard, and once you go with the Microsoft keyboard, you will have clear cache option. Like for example, I'll just simply go with an option, and once you go with the keyboard option, here on the bottom right you will have clear data. You need to go with clear data and clear all of the cache and all of the data of your keyboard. Once you clear the cache in your keyboard, your problem might be fixed. Or the next thing you need to do is just simply go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.